What's up, y'all? I'm Yue. Welcome to your 5-minute plank challenge. Come on down into a nice plank. I'm gonna start the timer right now. Starting in plank. 40 seconds here. Keep that booty down. Neutral spine. Are you breathing? It's just 40 seconds. Less than 10 seconds left. Next move, plank taps in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Opposite hand to opposite shoulder here. Try to not sway your hips to the side. And as always, keep that booty down. More than halfway there. Next up, leg lifts alternating in 3, 2, 1. Lift one leg and down. Alternate back and forth. Again, don't sway that hip. Everything super still here. Less than 20 seconds left. Your next move, you're going to combine both of these. So shoulder tap and leg lift. Wow. In 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Tap, and lift at the same time. Opposite hand, opposite leg. So if I'm tapping with my left hand, my right leg lifts. Keep on breathing. More than halfway there in this entire 5 minutes here. Holding in that plank right now. Hold. 40 seconds again. We're going to do all those 4 moves one more time. Woo! Keep on breathing. 20 seconds left in this hold. Again, keep that booty down. Neutral spine. Don't crank your neck. Next up, shoulder tap planks in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Tap that shoulder. Opposite hand to opposite shoulder. Come on. 15 seconds left. Last 10. Don't sway your lower body. 3, 2, alternating leg lifts now. Lift, lift. Just last 2 movements here. You have less than a minute left. Woo! Shoulder tap with leg lifts. Let's go. Last 30 seconds. Come on, let's get it. Keep that lower body steady as you lift. All about control. Less than 20 seconds to go. Keep on breathing, but keep marching here. home stretch, home stretch. 10 seconds. 7, 5, 3, and done. Lower all the way down. Woo. Ah, it feels so good. Back into a child's pose. Woo. That's your 5-minute plank challenge. I'm Yue, and I'll see you back here for more 5-minute workouts.